So vector joining 2 points. Here P x1 y1 z1, Q x2 y2 z2. These are the 2 points here. Here we want the vector PQ here. Who is the origin here? I, J, K are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis here. So in this case, according to the triangle of addition here, okay, by triangle law of addition. Okay, according to the triangle of addition, OP plus PQ. Okay, OP bar plus PQ bar. PQ bar is equal to OQ. According to the triangle law of addition, OP plus PQ is equal to OQ. Take OP right hand side here. Here's a PQ bar is equal to OQ bar minus of OP bar here. So this is a very important result here because maximum we are using this result here. Okay, this is a very important result here. Remember it here. If P and Q are the 2 points here, if you want the vector PQ, in that case we can use OQ minus OP here. So you know coordinate of the point P is x1, y1, z1 here. Therefore here OP bar, it is a position vector of the point P here. Position vector of the point P is given by x1i plus y1z plus z1k here. Position vector of the point Q is given by OQ bar. OQ bar is equal to x2i plus y2z plus z2k here. It is a position vector of the point Q here. Therefore, using this result here, here's a PQ bar. PQ bar is equal to, first try to OQ means this one here. So x2 I plus y2z plus z2k minus of OP is this one here, x1i plus y1z plus z1k. Therefore, subtracting these vectors it gives x2 minus of x1 into I plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus of y1 into z plus z2 minus z1, z2 minus of z1 into k. So this is a vector PQ. Okay, if you know the position vectors of the point P and Q, in that case the vector PQ is given by x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1 z plus z2 minus z1 k. This is also very important result here. If you know vector in the component form here like this, OP and OQ, in that case if you want the vector PQ, in that case you can use this x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1 here. Later, if you want this length here, modulus is given by modulus of PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus of z1, it's a square here. It gives a length of the vector here. It gives a length of the vector PQ. Okay, very important result here. Maximum we are using this result as well as this result here. Remember it here. So there is example here. Find the vector joining the points P in bracket 2, 3, 0 and Q minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 directed from P to Q here. Okay, therefore take your solution. In this case, position vectors of the point P and Q position vectors of points P and Q are, so OP bar is equal to coordinate here 2 3 0 here, so you can write here 2i plus 3j plus 0k, and the position vector point Q, OQ, here OQ is given by minus of I minus of 2j minus of 4k. Here we want the vector joining the points P and Q directed from P to Q here. Therefore, the required vector here PQ is given by OQ minus of OP here. OQ minus OP. Therefore, this is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 4k minus of OP is this one here 2i plus 3j plus 0k. Take a minus inside the bracket here. Minus I minus 2j minus 4k, then minus of 2i minus of 3j minus of 0k. Therefore, minus I minus 2i becomes minus of 3i minus 2j minus 3j minus 5j minus 4k minus 0k minus of 4k. So this is a required vector here. So you are using PQ is equal to OQ minus OP here. So in this example, find the scalar and vector components of the vector with the initial point at 2 1 and terminal point minus 5 7. Okay, here there is one vector here. P is the initial point here, and Q is the terminal point. Then first to find your PQ here. Okay, therefore let us consider the point P 2 1 is the initial point here, and Q into bracket minus 5 7 be the terminal point here. Therefore, here PQ is equal to OQ minus of OP here. Therefore, this is equal to, here point of P is 2 1 means position vector here. OP bar, that is a 2i plus j here. And the point Q is a minus 5 7, then it's a position vector here. OQ is given by minus 5i plus 7j. Therefore, OQ is 5 minus 5i plus 7j. Right in the bracket here, minus the vector OP 2i plus j here. Take a minus inside here. Minus of 5i plus 7j minus 2i minus of j here. Minus 5 minus 2 gives minus of 7i. 7j minus j gives plus 6j here. Here it is a vector PQ here, directed from point P to point Q here. Here write the scalar components here. Therefore, scalar components of a vector PQ bar are minus 7 and 6 here. Minus 7, 6. Then the vector components Vector components of the vector PQ bar is a minus 7i, comma 6j, 6j. So these are the scalar components and these are vector components here. So this is a one marks question here. 2 times they asked here. July 2017 and March 2018. It is a one marks question here. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay. Suppose here is the one vector here, a bar. A bar is the vector. Then you find the unit vector here. Unit vector means its a magnitude is 1 unit here. It is denoted as a cap here. Okay. Therefore, a cap is given by the formula a bar divided by modulus of a bar here. So this is a very important formula here. It is a unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar here. Okay. Therefore, take your solution. This is a one marks question here. Here a bar is I plus j plus 2k. Then find your modulus here. Modulus of a bar is given by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square here. Therefore, root of 1 plus 4, it is root of 6 here. Root of 6. Therefore, here required vector, unit vector, it is denoted by a cap here. A cap is given by a bar divided by modulus of a bar here. A bar is this vector here, I plus j plus 2k divided by modulus of a bar is the root of 6 here. It is a unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar. So even here also find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar is 2i plus 3j plus k. Yes, this is a given vector here. Then find its modulus, that is the root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square here. Then the root of 4 plus 9 plus 1 here. Therefore root of 14 here. So a bar is this vector here 2i plus 3j plus k divided by root of 14 here. So this is a unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar. So find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ, where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 here. Okay. Here P is the initial point, Q is the terminal point here. So first find here PQ. Then find its unit vector here. Its length is 1 unit here. Okay. Hence it is a unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ. Therefore, first to find a vector PQ here, take a solution. So, position vectors of points P and Q are here the OP bar is equal to, okay, here the quantity 1, 2, 3 here. So write here I plus 2j plus 3k. Position into the point Q here, OQ is 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Then PQ is given by, the vector PQ is given by OQ minus of OP here. Therefore, the vector OQ is 4I plus 5J plus 6K minus of the vector OP is I plus 2J plus 3K. Therefore, this is equal to 4I minus I gives 3I. 5J minus 2J is plus 3J. Then 6K minus 3K is plus 3K. Therefore, take a 3 common factor here. So, write 3 outside. I plus J plus K. This is the vector PQ here. Then find its modulus here. So, modulus of PQ is given by write 3 into root of I coefficient is 1 here, 1 square plus J coefficient is 1 square plus K coefficient is 1 here, 1 square. Yes, it gives 3 into root of 3 here. The modulus of the vector PQ bar here. Therefore, unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ bar is equal to the vector PQ divided by modulus of PQ. You are using the same formula. A cap is equal to A bar divided by modulus of A bar here. Using this formula. Suppose if you consider this vector as A bar here, then this becomes A cap here. It is A cap is A bar divided by modulus of P bar. Means PQ divided by modulus of PQ here. The vector PQ is this one here. So 3 into I plus J plus K divided by modulus of PQ is 3 root 3 here. So 3 into root of 3 here. 3 and this 3 get cancels here. Hence I plus J plus K divided by root of 3 here. This is a unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ bar. So in this example, find the unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors A bar and B bar here. So add the two vectors here, it gives the vector A bar plus B bar. So consider this vector as a C bar here. Sum of two vectors is given by the vector C bar. Then find its unit vector in the direction of the vector A bar plus B bar is a C bar. So this is a unit vector here. It gives a C cap here. So C cap is equal to C bar divided by modulus of C bar here. Okay. Therefore, first add it here. Take your solution. So A bar is 2I plus 2J minus of 5K, and the vector B bar is equal to 2I plus J plus 3K. So let us consider the vector C bar. Sum of the vectors A bar as well as the B bar here. It is 2I plus 2J minus of 5K, then a plus here. 2I plus J plus 3K. Yes, so this is equal to here 2I plus 2I gives 4I. 2J plus J gives 3J. Minus 5K plus 3K is a minus of 2K. This is the vector C bar here. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of the vector C bar is the root of 4 square. Then plus 3 square plus minus 2 square. Therefore, this is equal to root of 4 square is 16. 3 squares are 9 and 2 squares are 4 here. It gives a root of 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29 here. So root of 29. Therefore, here C cap is a C bar divided by modulus of C bar here. C bar is this factor here. So that is a 4i plus 3j here. So 3j minus of 2k divided by root of 29 here. So root of 29 here. It is a unit vector in the direction of the vector, sum of the vector, in the direction of the sum of the vectors A bar and B bar here. So just take a previous example here. They given two vectors A bar and B bar. Then find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A bar plus B bar here. Therefore, take a solution. You consider the vector C bar as A bar plus B bar. Here A bar is the given vector 2i minus of j plus 2k plus the vector B bar is minus I plus j minus of k. That is equal to 2i minus I gives I here, minus j plus j get cancels here, hence it is 0 j here. 2k minus k becomes plus k. Then find its modulus here, that is the root of so 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square here, it is the root of 2 here. Therefore, C cap is equal to C bar divided by modulus of C bar here. So, I plus 0j plus k means I plus k divided by root of 2 here. This is a unit vector in the direction of the vector A bar plus B bar here.